Aloha my kako ukulele friends. I've always been intrigued by those what's in the bag type of videos, and I wanted to show you kind of what's in my personal ukulele gig bag. The bag that I use is a Reunion Blues. I've had this for about maybe 5 years now, and as you can see, it holds up really well. It's very sturdy. I would consider it kind of like a semi-hard case. And then the inside it has this velvet kind of a padding here, so it's gonna be really safe for your ukulele. And there's my ukulele right there, my Kainile'a ukulele. When I take it on the road, I like to kind of reinforce it with this locking, Velcro locking mechanism here that kind of keeps it in place. And the bottom also has this cool plush lining as well. So everywhere, and it also has this neck support system right here. I don't know if you can see that, but kind of has this raised neck support system right here. So it's not quite as soft as that memory foam, but it's really reinforced so that it protects your neck when you're traveling on a plane. And I keep a little polishing cloth in here, just a really soft old t-shirt. One of the reasons why I like this bag so much is that it's a backpack style, and backpack style is good particularly if you're traveling on an airplane. It just keeps everything compact when you're going through the aisles, and you don't have anything like crossbody strap can sometimes be on the side, and then you're hitting everybody in first class and you don't want to do that. You get stink eye. And right behind the backpack straps is a cool little hidden kind of pocket right here. It zips all the way down. And so first of all, this is straight from a gig. You know, I haven't really doctored this up just for this video. This is straight from whatever I had in here. The last gig is whatever you're gonna find in here. So I really don't know what's left in here. So I have my iPad in the back here because it's flat, lays, you know, it doesn't take up too much space. Zip that back up. And then if you notice up here, there's like this little tiny little cute little G7. This guy here, I know my friend Brian Tolentino hates capos, so I might have to send this to him. Business card in here from someone. And that's it. I think they usually have more stuff in that little compartment. Well, first I want to point out this cool reinforced handle here. I mean, this guy is like really solid. Carry it from this handle a lot, so you can tell. I mean, you can't even see any wear on it, so that tells you how strong that is. And on the bottom, see this reinforced textured bottom here, right there. I don't know if you can see that. And then my favorite part about this gig bag is it has this. From far away, you don't really see that it has a side compartment that goes almost the entire length of the case. And this long section here is actually a storage compartment, so it just goes the whole way. See, I don't know if you can see in there. So let's go ahead and just see what I have in here. I have some deodorant. Just never know, being a traveling musician, you need this guy here. I like to do these vlogs and these videos, and sometimes I won't have access to this tripod system that I have here, so I like to bring this Manfrotto setup right here. I can just stick my iPhone right in there. My flash drives, and I'll actually these are my flash drives that you can purchase, and these are basically really cool. These have both of my albums on one flash drive, like that, and then so. This is the part that goes into your computer. And so I have these, you know, when I'm on the road. Just go ahead and contact me directly. Just send me a message, and you can go ahead and buy one of these directly from me. Sharpies, you never know. I get asked to sign a lot of stuff when I'm on the road, and I never seem to have enough of these. Just a regular pen. You actually, this is something you need a lot when you're traveling. Some generic earbuds. I usually use my AirPods, so I don't use those that often. I have a strap, ukulele strap, right there. I have a bunch of my absolute favorite strings in the world, the PhD strings, and these are the low G edition. I keep a ton in here in my my ukulele case, just because you never know when a string is gonna break. The battery pack, emergency battery pack in case I need that. He's gonna have a bunch of my lanyards, and these are my Espanola Music lanyards. More PhD strings. a 9-volt battery. My other custom kanila actually takes 9-volt batteries. This one in here, my latest custom actually takes CR2032s, which I like better. So it makes the ukulele a little bit lighter. And so I have that in there in case I have my other ukulele, in this case. Another pen. And that's it down here. Oh, another pen. Can never have enough pens, I guess, right? And if you watch my Hemele Aloha tutorial series, you will notice that I have these, that I'm a big fan of the Singer Saving Grace throat spray, which is coming so handy for gigs when I've lost my voice, or if I need a little bit more lubricating of the vocal cords. I use that. Another wall charger. I have one of my favorite tuners, a really bright LED display, and it's just so accurate and fast. And when you're playing on stage, you want something that is bright, fast, accurate, and just gets the job done. And I've had this for a long time. So that's a fail. I've had this for a long time. So if you're looking for a tuner, I can highly recommend this guy. I do have another tuner. This is the Fender Bullet Tuner, and if you watch my Hemele Aloha series, I actually refer to this one as well. I don't like it as much as the TC Electronic, but it is a cool little tuner, and it has a very bright display as well. So I have that in there as just kind of like a backup. Let's see. I have, my wife is actually a perfumer, and she made me. She makes an incredible line of called Llama Llama perfumes, and she made this special blue bottle for me, and I keep this in here before gigs, for a concert. You should check out her site. She doesn't have a website up yet, but she will shortly. It's a company called Llama Llama Perfumes. Organic, completely natural perfumes, and they're all Hawaiian based scents. So check it out, Llama Llama Perfumes. And oh, this is another cool thing that I like to do. And so anywhere that has little packets of honey, I like to go ahead and take extras, and I just keep them in my bag, because kind of like the Singer Saving Grace, this honey is one of the best ways to lubricate your vocal cords. So I like to keep these handy, and that's pretty much it. I mean, pretty basic. This is straight from, oh, we have one last thing in here. Just an extra patch cable for my pedal board, which I keep in a different case, just in case I need it. But that's pretty much it. I mean, I like to keep it pretty basic, pretty light, and I just keep all the essentials for when I'm touring or gigging or giving a workshop. And so I just thought, you guys would like to see what's inside my gig bag. And if you want to know more information about me, go ahead and visit my website, www.stevenespaniola.com. Visit my Instagram. I'll go ahead and put that down below. And check out my other videos. I do have a great series called the Hemele Aloha series, which is this great book right here. It's basically, some people call it the Blue Book, and it's basically a collection of classic standard Hawaiian songs made specifically for ukulele, because it has the ukulele chords up here, but it doesn't show you the melody of the song. So I have a series that kind of covers how to play a lot of these classic Hawaiian songs. It's kind of like, in the jazz world, they're called fake books. So this is kind of like the Hawaiian fake book. And check out that series. I'll go ahead and link one of the videos up here if you're interested. And I think that's it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification button if you do like these videos. You can know when I upload them immediately. Let me know what you guys think of this kind of content. If you like this kind of content, I'll be sure to put out more just like this. I'll see you guys on the next one. Ahui ho and malama pono.